Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this sultry smoky eyed look that I achieved for less than $5 by using the Smoky Mirror Sunset palette I purchased from my local FAB below. If you want to see how I put this palette to use, then keep watching this video. Okay dolls, I'm going to start out by priming the entire mobile area of my eye, and with the warmth of my fingertips I'm going to take this primer and I'm going to blend it all the way up towards my brow bone. I'm then going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep to help set that primer, and I will be using this as a transitional color. Now the first thing I want to do is warm my eye up, so I decided to use my LA Colors bronzer, and I'm going to pop that directly in the crease with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply it in a windshield type motion. This is what's really going to help warm my eye up for the next application of color, which is the palette. This is the Sunset palette I purchased from my local FAB below. It was only $5, and I'm gonna go with this first brown color right here and pop that directly into the crease to help build up the intensity. A little at a time is going to go a long way. The eyeshadows are not chalky when applied, insane color pigmentation, because color you see you definitely is going to get. So once I finish building up the intensity, I'm going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow. I swear, just a tiny bit. You see what I'm doing? A tiny bit, because look how powerful black eyeshadow can be. I do not want to look like no raccoon. No Lord. So a little bit of this, it's funny. I don't want to look like a raccoon. A little bit of it's going to go a long way. I'm putting that on the outer V. This is to help give definition into my eyes, and I'm going to drag it slightly in towards the crease. Just a little bit of that black eyeshadow. Just a little bit. Going back into the palette, and I'm going to mix the two colors together, and this is where I begin to create my lid color. With a flat shader brush, I'm going to pat this directly on the entire mobile area of my eyelid. Again, with a flat shader brush, I'm patting the eyeshadow on, and I'm creating a soft cut crease as I'm doing it by dragging it slightly, by outlining the entire mobile area of my eyelid. Again, with a flat shader brush, I'm just going to pat the color on, just like you're seeing. I'm going to pat it on the entire mobile area of the eye. So now I'm going back into the palette, and here's the fun part. This is color called Cinderella. Look at how gorgeous and glittery this color is. With that same flat shader brush, as you can see, I'm just patting this glitter on the entire mobile area of my eye, being sure to keep it only on the mobile eyelid. And then I'm going to move into applying my false eyelashes and wing liner. Okay dolls, so I have my false eyelashes and wing liner on, and in the midst of me doing that, I kind of took off the wing liner, so I'm just going to touch it back up. This is just a little process that I do. Take some black eyeshadow and I just put it along the base of my eyelashes. Just wanted to add this in there. Okay dolls, so I touched up the wing liner with the black eyeshadow like I just showed you, and I must admit this eyeshadow palette from FAB below have super exceeded my expectations. It's called Smoke and Mirror. It's the Sunset palette. I just showed you how I used it. So now I need to finish pulling my whole look together by taking my foundation, and here's where I begin patting it all over the perimeters of my face. Once I get the foundation applied, I'm then going to take my facial blending brush and begin blending out that foundation, pulling my entire look together. As I already told you, that eyeshadow have exceeded my expectations and definitely worth you dolls looking into. So once I get my whole face blended together, I'm now going to move into highlighting and contouring. I'm going to use my LA Girl Cream highlight underneath the areas of my eyes. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour along the perimeters of my face and the high points of my cheekbones. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a Silicone Beauty Blender and continue to blend out that highlight and blend out that contour. Once I get it blended, I'm then going to move into liquid highlighters, which I done told you 1,010 times. Stop sleeping the ones that sold in your local Dollar Tree. This liquid highlighter only cost me $1 from my local Dollar Tree, and look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. $1 is giving me this fabulous, gorgeous liquid highlight. I'm loving it. So like I said, it's sold in my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to now apply some blush. A little bit of this is going to go a long way. Best believe I am not much of a blush wearer, so the tiniest bit is going to work for me. I'm then going to gently outline my lips. Once I outline my lips, I'm going to apply some of my favorite lipstick. It's a Nude lipstick, followed by some lip gloss. And as I apply the lip gloss, this now concludes the video. So not bad. This is the finished look. I really love how this eye look came out, and everything I use will be listed down in the description box below, so check there for details. And thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another one again shortly. Later, dolls.